Let go. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, get up. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, hit that button, press play, get to looking in the kitchen, hit that like, hit that subscribe. You gotta show that love. This loyalty run a long way like a dove. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen in this good kitchen. You hear me? So what I have right here, I have some ribeye steak that I chopped up, rinsed it, patted dry, all that good stuff, let it soak. You know what I mean? Your boy did the thizzle with the meat, so that's nice and right, ready to cook and seasoning. I have my vegetables over there. I have my bell peppers, red, yellow, onions, red, white, spring onions, green. You know what I mean? Your boy's up in here. So what they do right now, I'm gonna go ahead and season the steak meat real quick. It's that good ribeye steak. We'll go ahead with some lemon pepper. Then we'll go ahead with some chicken bouillon. That bad boy ain't got stuck on me. Okay, there we go right there. Hold on. It ain't got stuck on your boy. We're gonna have to just crush that up. That's crazy. So we're gonna give it a nice 2 tablespoons of that chicken bouillon. Alright. Then we'll give it some color with this nice paprika. Alright, there we go right there. Then we'll go ahead with some black pepper. You know, your boy really don't too much use black pepper, but you know, I'm making some pepper steak. You hear me? Some pepper steak, pimp. Oh, that right pepper right there. Boom. And now we'll go ahead with this a half a cup of cornstarch. Boom. And we go ahead with some soy sauce, some all-purpose soy sauce. Boom. There we go right there. Then we go ahead with some dark soy sauce. A little apple cider vinegar. Now we're gonna eyeball it. You know what I mean? We're gonna mix it in and eyeball it. Okay, making sure that's all the cornstarch we need. Okay. Yep, that's all we needed right there. So let your boy go ahead and mix this together and we're gonna start cooking. Alright, so here we go right here. We have our vegetable oil. per vegetable oil. Yeah. Now if you put these steaks in here and let them do their thizzle. You gonna see how this pepper steak turned out. You know what I'm talking about? Make sure everything is right. Yes, it is.
You left Cooper outside?
Okay. Alright, let me get these in there. We're gonna turn the camera back on. Okay, so here we go right here. I just let it cook. Turned them over. Now just to let the other side do its thing. And then we're gonna take this bad boy out. We're gonna get our vegetables nice and right. We're gonna let everything come together like cheddar. You know what I'm talking about? Just like that there. You know your boy like to clean as he go when I'm cooking in this good kitchen. That shit don't really too much steak. So you want to move your food around just a little bit, moving those steaks around. I usually don't cook my steaks on the stove. I just sear them on the stove, give them a nice little color to them, and then throw them in the oven for that extra tender. You know what I mean? A nice bite when it just melt in your mouth, not in your hand. But tonight, it's all stove action. You hear me? Oh, yeah. Alright, so there we go right there. So that's what we're looking for. So now, go ahead and take these out and go get to these vegetables. Alright, boom. So we have our white onion, red onion. We have our celery, bell peppers, green onions, all that good stuff, you know what I mean? So you should get this a nice little saute. And then we'll give these vegetables a nice little, not too much of a season, but a little season. You know what I mean? I also have some white rice cooking in a rice cooker. We'll go ahead and with a little bit of little garlic. You know what I'm talking about? And we'll go ahead with that organic seasoning, no salt. There we go, right there. You know, when I bite into my vegetables, I want a nice little seasoning to them, you know. A beautiful little taste. also cut up some green beans, because I don't want them bad boys going to waste. So I chopped them up also, you know what I mean, threw some green beans in here. Okay. So now I'm gonna throw the rest of this flour in here. I mean, not flour, but cornstarch. Throw the rest of that in there. And we're gonna put some honey in there, you know what I mean? Hold on, let me let this run up on some hot water real quick. Then we're gonna repeat it with the seasoning. We'll put this chicken bouillon. We ain't gonna put the black pepper in there yet. Then we're gonna hit it with some lemon pepper. Same thing. We'll hit it with the dark soy sauce. Then we're gonna hit it with the all-purpose seasoned soy sauce. Let me check on the time. I'm gonna hit with that honey. That should be enough right there. So we got about a tablespoon and a half of honey. It's not a tablespoon. It's called 2 tablespoons. So now you just want to mix it together. Stir that cornstarch in there, mix everything. You know what I mean? Just like that there. Boom. Just like that. I know the honey's gonna be like that, but you know what I mean? It is what it is, you hear me? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get these vegetables like another couple more minutes, then we'll get to the next. All right, so the vegetables is nice and right. Put it up to the side. Now I'm gonna put our steak back in there. Alright. Mix it in like that there. I'm gonna add a half a cup of water. Boom. And everything we just mixed up in here. Cornstarch, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, honey, you know what I mean? Boom. Now we want everything to come together like cheddar. Just like right there. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and put the top on this bad boy. Let that sauce get thick. And we're gonna be ready to put this back, you know what I mean, on a nice plate. Just like that there. Okay, this how we looking before we put this bad boy on the plate. Looking right, just like this right here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and add some black pepper to it. Mix it in there. And we're gonna add some honey to it, you know what I mean, a little more honey. Now we're right. So this how we looking. We got our pepper steak, you hear me? Yes, that's what we have right here cooking. That good pepper steak, yeah. So now, get this bad boy on a nice plate. Okay, so here we go right here. Your boy done made it happen. Here go that good pepper steak. You know what I mean? With the white rice. Look at that right there. You know what I'm talking about? That's how I do it right here in my good kitchen, pimp. You hear me? Yes, sir. And that steak meat is tender. So we don't have to do no oven. You hear me? All on the stove. Just like that there. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice. Yes, sir. Hit dice.